A very good morning, class. So today we are going to continue with the another kind of a letter, that is business letter, placing an order. Now placing an order basically means that one organization is giving a bulk order to the another one for purchasing any items or belongings. So here we need to go it in a very formal manner. What we need to write it, how we need to write it, and we are having few terms and conditions also, that then only we would be able to purchase it. It can be that you are a new customer to them, or you are the old and loyal customer to that other organization also. So here once again the format will be absolutely the same as we have always discussed about. First, sender's address always in 2 to 3 lines. You would not write your name in sender's address. Leave a line, date. Now, as I mentioned earlier also, you will not write down this word date, you will directly write down date. Leave a line again, receiver's address. Now, in receiver's address, it's very important to write the designation to whom you are addressing it. Because in one organization, in one company, there are a number of employees working there. So, to the manager, to the purchase manager, to the sales manager, store manager, to whom you are addressing, you need to write down. And this address would be in 3 to 4 lines. Leave a line again, subject. Now, subject is very simple, placing an order for, like whatever thing you are ordering, you need to mention that at the in this subject. Leave a line again, salutation, that is subject, sir or ma'am, and then your 3 paras will be there. Now, you need to understand that what you will write in these 3 paras. Now, first para is your introduction, that who you are basically. Right, you are the representative, or you are the owner of, like whatever any organization or company or store. So you need to tell who you are, and you need to tell that you really want to place an order for few things. Very short, very simple. You need to place an order. In the second one, you will mention those details, like what you want to place an order. You need to give the details for that. So make this in the tabular form only, which is very important. That is, first serial number would be there, then your product name with that brand, and then quantity, that in how many numbers you want that particular product of that brand. So you need to mention about that. So this second para of the details in a tabular manner is very important. Then comes your third para. The third para is about your terms and conditions. Like you want that your products, your articles or items should be in the original. They should be no duplicacy. They should be no they should not be in the torn condition, right? You want it on time. You need to give any clause for that, because something new is going to happen or something. You want absolutely in a very right manner, right? Then how you need to deliver it to you. Next, about the payment, how you are going to make the payment, right? Cash, check, or any other mode. And next, very important thing, you would ask for the discount. Might be you're the new customer or the old or regular customer, you should ask for the reasonable discount. With that, even you can say if the items would not be delivered on time, or it would be in a good, it would not be in a good condition, you can cancel the order. So you can give the terms and conditions basically in this. It's very, very important, right? And then when you write all these 3 stanzas, these 3 paras, sorry, lead 2 lines, write down yours sincerely, then signature and then name in the bracket. And in this manner, your placing an order would complete. So this is one of the very important for the business letter, that you are placing an order to the another one. You are having that business relation. So you need to keep all these things in mind while framing it. So I really hope this is clear to you. Any doubt you should ask, and submit the work timely without any reminders. Thank you. God bless you all.